also claimed WCD Minister Annapurna Devi overlooked initiatives by the state. And as we bring you this information, there is some breaking news coming in. Outrage over Kolkata horror is intensifying. BJP is now staging a massive protest in Kolkata, and those are the visuals that we are bringing for you at this point in time. Tapas is joining us live for more on this. Tapas, yet another day, yet another protest in Kolkata, this time by BJP workers. Over to you. Tell us what's happening. Tapas, can you hear me?
Well, see, at this moment, the BJP Mahila Morcha rally is on against RG Kar incident, and they have come here in Salt Lake to shut down the Women's Commission, the West Bengal Women's Commission, as they said that since there is no safety and security of women here in West Bengal, hence there is no need for this commission office. And you can see that they have been stopped here by the lady police forces of the Bidhannagar Commissionerate, and they will not be allowed to go anywhere close to the State Women's Commission since the rally have not been given any permission. Here's another human barricading has been done from the part of the male police forces of the Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate. Lokesh Chatterjee and Agnimitra Paul wanted to venture, but they were detained and they will not be allowed by the police. So overall, we can say that it's a very volatile situation here, and they were primarily detained from different places across, and now they have been stopped here at Salt Lake near city center, and we are just standing opposite to the State Women's Commission, where they would not be allowed to go. So senior police officials are deliberating with the leadership of the BJP Mahila Morcha, requesting them not to go any ahead. If they still want to move ahead, then we have been told that they will be detained. As of now, there's a standoff between the BJP Mahila Morcha wing leaders and also the Bidhannagar Commissionerate police, especially the female forces, have been deployed in large number. Back to you.
Right, Tapas, now, ever since we have seen outrage growing on the streets of Kolkata, there has been one question, whether these people have the permission for protest or not. Because remember, peaceful protests are allowed. That's what even the Supreme Court has mentioned. But in this case, what can you tell us? Was there prior permission taken by the BJP for this particular dharna?
Well, see, as per police, if any apolitical rally takes place, then they are to be allowed as per the Supreme Court guideline. But as far as this political rally is concerned, these political rallies are not being given permission. But however, we have seen that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary had to approach the court to get a permission for his rally, which he got. But this particular rally of BJP Mahila Morcha have not been given permission by the Bidhannagar police, and hence they have been asked not to venture any further. They have been allowed till the Mahila Commission office, but they will not be allowed inside the Women's Commission office. That's what we have been given to understand, since the rally have not been given any permission. Permission was sought, but the permission was denied by police. Back to you.
Right. If possible, can you just talk to one of the BJP leaders there and understand what is it that they are demanding today? Because we have seen so far BJP has been adamant on its demand as far as West Bengal Chief Minister's resignation is concerned. We've seen Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, today once again writing to the Prime Minister on the need for a stringent law to deal with a case like rape. But today, as there are a lot of women who have come out on the streets, this protest was led by top BJP leaders in West Bengal like Lokesh Chatterjee and Agnimitra